Hey guys, it's me, Joey Mama. I will be vlogging my day today, so please enjoy.
I'm trying to make a video and you're getting
Ready to have a splendid time at school.
Hey guys,
What is that?
it's my vlog.
Vlog day, other day. This is Grease Farmer. I call this.
More like a YouTube.
I call this Grease Farmer. This is my hot boyfriend Flavio. That's Brian Balsam. My hot bae Jenna. Jenna, you broke the D.
Hey, good looking.
That is so good.
So one of my big
What?
What?
That's Miss Tucker graded your test. I didn't stop that.
in your life. Needy.
What grade did you get? You put it on. That was a synonym. Is it me or did they spell stuff wrong? I hate myself.
I lost my water.
Can I watch that? Oh, it's still going.
That mainly like where it needs to be. That's what I mean,
Get it when you
I look gross today, guys. So
Heidi, you're hot every day.
yeah, I know, but nothing.
Wow, we got a winner. Found some treasure in the front yard. Pretty cool. Just got back from school. Rock on. I got mail in hand. My backpack on. Got my crazy back from school hair. Always a good look. Yeah, you get me.
Yo, check it out. It's my cat. Most importantly, it's me. So this is my cat, as you have met before. And this is Tiger. He's a cutie. As you can see, he's eating some bone or whatever. Oh my god, you always get in the way.
Apple pie, you look so nice, you make me wanna have a slice. But if your taste should prove so too, frankly, one slice just won't do.
God, you always get in the way. Thank you for watching. You are a beautiful angel, and comment anything you would like to see in the next video.